Hey, I'm Lee Dickey with Dickey Farms. Our family has grown delicious Georgia peaches for over 120 years. Today I'd like to show you how we make sure those famous peaches are ready for you to enjoy. First, our peaches are picked in the orchard by hand and placed on a wagon. When the peaches arrive at our packing house, they go through the hydro cooler. This cold 35-degree bath cools them down and helps keep them fresh. Then the peaches move down our packing line and are washed to remove any peach fuzz. After the fuzz is removed, we grade peaches based on quality. The best of the best are organized by size, then we hand pack them into our Dickey Farms boxes and prepare them for shipping. Be sure to bring the family out to the farm this summer and witness this process firsthand. We offer packing house tours and of course samples of our fresh peaches. Hope to see you soon.